we have a swap entry today. This one comes from Rosemary. So this is what her package looks like. So here is her little package right here. She did a beadable pin. And then we have this really pretty Pokie tool. But I like the top of hers is like a little oval. You have to tell me, what is this? Is this like one of the turkey skewers, or is it like a barbecue skewer? Let me know. And then she glued 2 spiders together. I love that. This is very cool. I like that. And here is her box. And then she is Stamping Chica. So you guys could go check her out. And then I like this like hollow paper back there. Really cute. Look at her paper. So cute. She did it like a continuation. So you see this ghosty goes here. This ghosty goes with that one. So cute. And oh, look at the inside. Really cute paper. Let's see, in her first one, we have some wire wrap beads and some loose beads. I like these. These look like little pumpkins already. We got a mix of beads there. Then in our next one, looks like we have some flatback rhinestones. So we have a little skull, some bows, some candy, a bunch of little charms. Oh, that is cute. Okay, I never saw that charm before. That is super cute. Then look at this little ghosty with her bow. Really cute stuff in that one. Here is our next compartment. Oh, pretty. She made some flowers right here. Oh, these are cute. Did you buy these or make these? I love those. Look, just a ton of handmade little flowers right here. Gorgeous. And then we have a little ghosty and a little button right here. Oh my gosh, I love these flowers. I don't know where these black ones are from, but you have to let me know. These are so cute. They're so tiny. I don't know if you can tell, but the little gemmy actually is reflecting off the other petals. So pretty. Our next compartment. Oh my gosh. All kinds of goodies in here. You have buttons. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me put it down. You have, how cute is this? A candy corn brad. And then there is this like stars and moon. Oh no, it's just swirly. It's not a moon, so just stars. There's a little spider. Oh my gosh, he has a little rhinestone for his body. That is so stinking cute. Another little candy corn. Let's see. Oh, a little batty bat here. So tons of brads and buttons. Oh, this is like a flocked star. That's so cute. And Hobby Lobby sells flocking powder. Okay, I was debating if I wanted to buy any of the flocking powder, but now I need it because now it's giving me ideas on what to do with it. So love that. Okay, her next compartment, she made a sequence mix. So you have some clay stars, some sequence stars, round sequence, little jack-o'-lanterns out of clay. I think there's a little ghosty in there out of clay. Super cute. Matches her little paper collection perfectly. Oh, cute. Oh, I always forget to do Wicked. I've done a bunch of like Halloween words this year, and Wicked is one that I forget. So awesome. Now I can remember that one. We have Wicked, we have Boo, and we have Spooky. So cute. Oh, I like this one. So cute. I don't think I've seen this little charm either. And then we got a little witch's hat that is a bead. Oh, I love these. And in our last compartment, we have a beaded tassel. Okay, that is so cute to put a little rhinestone bow right here. And then she put the little clasps already. Love that. That's genius. I made these too, but I didn't even think to put a little clippy on it. So love that so much. Oh my gosh, and I love the little bow. It's so cute. Thank you so much for joining my swap. Everything is just so adorable. I love it. Our next swap entry comes from Damaris, and girl, you did way too much. You did not have to send me a gift card. And then look at her super cute little card right here. Love it. And then I don't know where this little foamy guy is from, but he's super cool. And this one has my name on it. I love how you did a little banner. And I'm dying already. I can see fabric. I can't wait to open. Okay, I love this. I don't know where this dye is from, but I need it. So her ATC card is already all punched out. Love that. And then over here, she has her info. So she is D&S Balloon Creations on Facebook and on Instagram. And then her favorite color is purple and pastels and silvers. She used the Dia de los Muertos, and she's shabby chic, romantic, and vintage. Love it. And then here is the back. It has a little pocket. So stinking cute. I wanted to show you guys what the other ones that came in. So the ones that came in the swap have this little Day of the Dead bag on it. So cute. So mine has this one on there, and look at this bow. Oh my gosh, so adorable. I love me some spiders. And she used like some mummy mesh back there. So stinking cute. Okay, let's see what's in this little bag. Oh my gosh, that little baggie was jam-packed. So we have little foamies. We have a little ornament. I think I got these at Dollar Tree before, but did anybody see them this year? I didn't see these, so let me know. Oh, cute. Got some little trick-or-treat foamies. Oh, look, little Nomi homies. I love me some Nomi homies. Oh my gosh, these are adorable, and they're made out of wood. So cute. Got some little bats. Oh, look at these little spiders just chilling. Oh my gosh, so much cuteness. Oh, love that. Oh, look at the little witchy legs. And celebrate. Love it. Look, I need to learn how to sew. Every time you guys sew, I'm like, oh, I need to learn how to sew. You guys are so amazing. So she has her little clippy here with a couple little dangle bits. And then look, she just added a couple little beads. That is so stinking cute. And then look, my little name right here. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. Oh my gosh, look. She just stamped tissue paper. Oh my gosh, pure genius right here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? These look like the Dollar Tree little hands, but she painted and glittered them up. That is adorable. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. This is why I love hosting swaps. You guys inspire me so much. Just like that little simpleness. Amazing. Love it. And then we have Boo over here. So cute. Okay, let's see this first one. Oh my gosh. She did Jack. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute is that? And you must have used like a mold. Oops. You must have used like a mold, right? Because look at that like little perfect shape to them that they all have. So cute. Then she did some handmade flowers. Oh my gosh, these are tiny. I can't even. That's like a tiny little seed bead. These are so itty bitty. How freaking adorable. I don't know if I would have the patience to work with something that small. Oh my gosh, look at her with the blue hair. Oh, I love her. She's a button. I don't know where she's from, but I'm obsessed with her. It's so funny. I was just talking to Sunny because he says that my hair is getting on his nerves because I need to dye it again. And I was like, what color should I dye it? And I was like, what do you think if I do my hair in blue? Oh my gosh, so funny. So I love that. We have some beads, and it looks like a little handmade bead, and some charms and buttons and little like bones in here, little skulls. Super, super cute. Love this little girl right here. She's so cool. And in this one, oh my gosh, we have a ton of wire wrap beads. Ooh. Where is this from? Oh, I don't think I've seen this. It's a shiny little coffin. You'll have to let me know where this is from. This is actually perfect because I just got a haul from Temu and I'm going to be doing like a little shadow box shelf thing. Totally going to use this for that. You'll have to let me know where you got that from. I totally need more. So we have over here some charms and some more paper beads. Ooh, look at this one. That little Day of the Dead skull is so cool. Love it. I got little beads in here. Very, very nice. In our next little compartment, we have a little dangle. Oh, cute. So we got a little, she like laminated a little charm here. Then we have some little dangly bits. Oh, that is so cool. Look, she wrapped the bone that was, I think over here, I think in this compartment. She wrapped some wire around it to make it into a charm. Oh my gosh, that is genius. Okay, totally stealing that idea. Love that. And in our next compartment, oh my gosh, look how pretty. Little black butterfly. Oh, I always forget I have a button maker and I always forget to pull it out and use it. Oh, I could have totally done some of those. So we have little flare buttons. Oh, look. He's so cute. Oh, look at the little kitty. Oh, these are adorable. Okay, totally need to bring mine out. So we have some loose beads and some paper beads in there. I think that's so cool that you made paper beads. And in this one, we have a tassel. Oh, we have stickers and some chipboard. And what else is in here? Little googly eye guy. Oh, look, she laminated some little pieces right here so you can make like this one. Totally gonna do that. And then little chipboards down there. Super cute, super creative. Oh my gosh, everything doesn't fit. I don't know how you got everything to fit in there. Then our last little compartment, we have a sequence mix. Oh, are those tiny little crosses? Oops, you're not in focus, sorry. Oh, that is so cool. I'm sorry, I'm too busy trying to look that I keep missing that I'm not in focus. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny little sequence. I mean, it's itty bitty. Oh, wait, look at this one. Oh, that little jack-o'-lantern. Okay, that's like not even 1/4 of an inch. That thing is like tiny. Oh, look at Jack. I saw Jack over here. Oh, this is so cool. Love it. Then we have some more paper beads down here. And then we have some little skulls. This is cool. Did this come like this or did you add glitter on there? I totally need to do that. I have a ton of glitter. Thank you, ladies, so much for joining. Everybody is doing so amazing. You guys are inspiring me so much. Thank you, everybody that is participating in the swap. You guys are the best. Everybody that's watching, you guys are the best. I appreciate you guys so much. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.